Today we'll see how to create a Facebook page. So I'm on my Facebook profile. I have created that profile. So click on that three dot, click on the drop down, click create Facebook profile, click on the public page, next, give your page name, just give your category, click create. Give it a couple of seconds. So in bio write something, mails, phone number, location and all of that. So for now I'll escape those. Click next. So you can now upload your profile images and the cover images. So I will escape. You can invite your friend from your Facebook list. Next, done. So once you hit done, it will create the pages. That's it. You have created the Facebook page.